ringing. Ding dong, verily the sky is riven with angels singing. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Pray you dutifully bright, your mating chimey ringers. May you beautifully rhyme, your E-time song is singers. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains.
Gloria in excelsis
Your diction was on point. It was just interesting to sit there and watch and listen to all your words. Angels we have heard on I was well done. I really enjoyed that performance.
Manchester, thanks for bringing some Christmas to the competition. I love Christmas. I have to admit, and I've been mainlining Christmas movies. But anyway, I love that you brought this today. I love your interpretation because there's some different interpretations of these songs, which was really cool and nice and refreshing. I was missing the melody of Ding Dong Merrily and High, the actual melody, but apart from that, it sounded wicked. Wicked.
Yes, your tone, your general tone carried you through. I mean, anything you sing, if you sing a calendar, it sounds sweet. But what I heard in the arrangement, which was a very nice arrangement, an opportunity for more exaggerated contrast between the Western art and the more gospel jazz feel. If you had flipped a little bit more schizophrenic between the two, it would have even wickeder than how it wicked already. But it was a real nice, refreshing sound, and most people wouldn't remember that they didn't hear any band playing. It was full, it was great a cappella singing, very nice.